All right, so we've learned to hinge. We actually went through the deadlift position, got down into the hike. Now we're on our way to doing the full 2-arm swing. So we've reviewed all those things. So now to go through part 2 for the 2-arm swing, after you hike the kettlebell, you are then going to drive your hips forward to bring the kettlebell up in front of you. The kettlebell should reach about the level of your chest, right? Don't let it come up too high, about chest height, and then you'll let it fall back between the legs and you'll repeat in a cyclical motion that swinging position, okay? So let's try that. Gets down into it, tilts it, hikes it, comes right up to a standing position. Good. Drives right out using his hips. The kettlebell is approximately shoulder height, chest height as he swings it right up. Hips go right back into the swing, keeps his tension in the lats, his breathing is on point. And you put it down exactly the same way you picked it up. Excellent.